Hello, this is my web application for, I'm calling it HitchHiker42, which is a very geeky name. The whole website is meant to be very geeky. So there's my representation of the computer deep thought. I found this illustration on one of the websites provided by GitHub Student Solution for Students. So the thing it does, I'll demo it really quickly. That's basically what it does. So there's this little silly algorithm behind it. You can actually still see some of the logs if you go to the console for this to show a bit more of what the algorithm does. But you can ask different questions. This is a preset value for this. So see, it output at a slightly different number, but since it is an average, it does mostly answer similar questions, similar numbers, because it's just basing off of ASCII values. Yeah. Let's do a fun one. What is SillyHacks? It's also 42. It's the same as the answer to everything. SillyHacks is everything.